Hi, I'm Alex Toner, Assistant Director of Community Engagement in Pitt's Office of Community and Governmental Relations.
And I'm Ryan Murphy, Chair of Student Government Board's Community and Governmental Relations Committee. Every fall and spring, CGR and SGB convene partners from across campus, the Oakland neighborhood, and the city of Pittsburgh to make sure you are prepared for living off campus and being a tenant in the community.
Whether you're moving off campus next year or you're currently a renter, it's never too late to refresh your understanding of what it means to be an off-campus tenant. Here are some helpful resources and information from Pitt's Office of Off-Campus Living, the Pitt Police, and the Oakland Planning and Development Corporation.
Hello, I'm Trisha Margiotti from Off Campus Living at the University of Pittsburgh, and we're here to help students with everything you need to know when living off campus. We can help you on where and how to start your search, questions to ask when signing a lease, utilities and budgeting, lease review with an OCL specialist, expectations of students when living off campus, and being a good neighbor. To learn more, please visit our website at ocl.pitt.edu, and we'll be glad to assist you with any of your questions. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.
Hi, I'm Officer Cunningham with Pitt Police, and I'm here to provide you with some off-campus safety tips. When living off campus, make sure all windows and doors are properly secured at your residence. Do not leave any visible valuables inside of your car, and make sure you bring your mail and packages inside daily. Situational awareness will help you stay safe on and off campus. Limit distractions such as cell phone use, and remember, pedestrian safety is a shared responsibility for everyone using the roadways. Oakland is the third most densely populated area within the Commonwealth. When celebrating off campus, please remember to celebrate responsibly. Be careful who you allow into your home, and secure all your valuables when having gatherings. Please do not party on rooftops, as this can result in serious injury or a fine. Be an active bystander and call the Pitt Police at 412-624-2121 or dial 911 in case of an emergency. For more resources and information, go to police.pitt.edu and follow us on social media. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gray. I am the Neighborhood Quality Consultant for Oakland Planning and Development Corporation. My job, as the title suggests, is all about the quality of life in Oakland for students and long-term residents. From trash to recycling, landlord issues, to fire pits, I'm here to answer your questions or point you in the right direction to get the answers that you need. You can reach me at 412-335-0933 or via email at lgray@opdc.org. Text messages are the best way to connect. Thanks. Bye.
From understanding your lease and occupancy rules to trash compliance, tenants' rights, and parking and permitting, students interested in living off campus or currently renting in Oakland may have a lot of questions. SGB can help. Contact us at sgb@pitt.edu.
Let the Office of Community and Governmental Relations be a resource as well, connecting you with key campus and community partners to find the information you need to be a good neighbor. Contact us directly at cgrinfo@pitt.edu and learn more on our website, cgr.pitt.edu, under the Community Engagement Student Resources tab.